Hi guys, we're here for another PRB02 box of One Piece TCG. Medyo alat-alat tayo ng mga nakaraan. Sana this time get to have the chance to hit the manga. Sana. Let's see guys ha. I hope this time is the right time. May ganun pa. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Same. Let's do it. First pack. Grabe guys. Ayan. So nakuha natin yung box sa Toy Corner. Murang-mura lang. Okay, we have a Zoro, Sanji, Dadan, I forgot his name, Event. Okay, our first foil. Behind him is Sabo again. We always hit this Sabo. Behind Sabo is, forgot his name, and Sabo again. Then our first Dawn is this one. Okay. Medyo alat-alat pa yung first box. First pack. Second pack around. Let's see. The best. I hope this is the best. One Piece the best. Volume 2. I hope it's the best. Okay. Let's try to get our luck. Okay. Nakapokus ba? Enel, Ace, Jinbei, foil. Okay. We have this one ready. Crocodile and Boogie, Sanji again, and we have event card of Luffy. Okay, we have hit something. Ano siya, foil ng ano, hindi ko maintindihan kung sino to Nice hit for the Dawn. Foil siya, hindi siya base. Pwede na kahit pa paano. At least may malagay tayo. Okay, first one. Let's proceed. Pag minalas-malas pa tayo nito, ewan ko na lang. Ay. Dapat pala, let's attract positivity, not negativity. Ano pa lang to? Third pack pa. Uy, meron na. Sumilip. Anyway, let's do it. Again. Carrot. Sabo, Pudding, base, R pala, rare pala, and same na naman nakuha natin, si ano na naman, si Carrot na green, Carrot and si ano, doon natin si Kiros. Okay, pang apat. Ace, Yusuf, Sabo, base, Zoro. Okay, we have something. We have Rebecca. Meron tayong gantong Rebecca Gold. Kaso to ano lang to, SR lang, RR lang yata to. Then we have, I forgot her name. Si Robin ba to? Hindi yata si Robin to. Behind her is, wala guys, mahina ang mga full natin ngayon Ganda sana kung tayo na to gold na shank. Anyway, it's okay. Pang 5. Ang bilis. Ito na si Whitebeard. Focus ba? Okay, Sora, Sanji, Sabo, Event, and Silo. Grabe guys, mga... Uy, nakakuha tayo ng isang special card. Ito, si ano, si... pangalan nito, I forgot his name. Nasa ano ko na eh, nakalimutan ko pangalan tuloy. Si Drake, X-Drake yata ito, X-Drake. Nice one, gold foil. And behind him is Carrot. Lagyan natin ng sleeve yan. X-Drake. Uy, sakto. Okay. So far, medyo hindi maganda pinapakita ng mga barahan natin. Let's see. Check pa natin. Ito na. Pampainit pa lang yan guys. Nasa dulo-dulo yan. Uy, okay. Luffy. Yuta. Sanji. Puro mga base pala ito mga to. Sanji again. Behind Sanji is si... forgot his name. And Don. Okay. Maalat-alat pa guys. Meron pa tayong 4. Last 4 na packs. Crocodile, Boogie. Let's see, Bonnie. Oy, meron na tayo nito. Same, purple. Ay, Shirahoshi Nami, oh. Ganda sana, kaso ano lang to eh. Base lang to eh. SR lang yata yan. Itong duo. Si NL and Rebecca. Guys, mga ano na, 3 na lang to ah. Wala pang paramdam ah. Maalat-alat talaga ah. Uy! Parang mawala ah. Okay. Germa. Marjua. Okay, same na naman, no? Maalat-alat ang ano natin, baraha. Last 2. Magparamdam ka naman ginto. Ginto na doon or manga. Please, manga. 1 manga. Okay. Okay, Sabo. Uy, we have something. Yes, we did hit something, but I don't know what is that card. Okay. Nice. Nami, nice card of Nami also. And behind Nami is Indon muna. Let's go for the Don. And behind the Don is special card, guys. 9,000 power. Who is this? Nice. Woo! We hit a Zoro. Gold. Nice. At least something special. Meron tayong Zoro. Kasama niya pa si... Ito, pang ano natin yan. Si Drake and Zoro. Yan. Ganda. Kita ba? Ay, hindi mag-focus yan. Focus dapat. Yan. Nice. Naka-Zoro tayo, guys. At least nakakuha tayong isang maganda-ganda Zoro. Let's put the sleeve. Nice. Nakaisa tayong gold. Nice card. Nakuha na si Zoro. Okay, meron pa tayong isa. Baka meron pa tumangga. Ito na. Let's try another good card. Lupi, Stamp. Oh, Brooks na naman. Robin, nice, but not... Okay guys, wala. Sa Zoro lang talagang hit natin. Si Cavendish, okay si Cavendish. So, our hit is... Zoro. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, thank you for watching.